Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for insightful content on property, investment, and sustainable finance. Today, we delve into the world of impact investing. We're living in exciting times where sweeping changes are transforming the way we think about investments. Traditional investment strategies, once driven by profits and returns, are now making room for a more conscious approach. This is where impact investing comes into play. So what is impact investing? In the simplest terms, it's an investment strategy that seeks not only to generate a financial return, but also to create a positive societal or environmental impact. It's about putting your money where your heart is, backing companies that align with your values and are committed to making the world a better place. The relevance of impact investing in today's investment landscape cannot be overstated. With growing awareness about social, environmental, and governance issues, many investors are embracing this new investment philosophy. They're choosing to support businesses that are making a difference, businesses that care about more than just the bottom line. But it's not just about making a difference. Impact investing can also be a smart financial move. Companies that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility often demonstrate resilience and long-term viability. They're the kind of companies that tend to thrive in the face of challenges and come out stronger on the other side. This is the essence of impact investing, combining financial gains with positive change. It's about realizing that our investment choices have power, that they can influence the direction of society and the health of our planet. It's about making money work for us and for the greater good. Here at House Lux Estate, we believe in the power of informed decisions. We believe that knowledge is the key to successful investing, and that's why we're here, to provide you with the insights and the tools you need to navigate the world of impact investing. So buckle up as we navigate the intriguing universe of impact investing. So what is impact investing? It's not just about making a profit, it's about making a difference. Impact investing is a financial strategy that marries the desire to make a positive change in the world with the need to secure a financial return. It's a way to put your money to work in companies, organizations, and funds that are actively working to improve social and environmental conditions. But don't confuse impact investing with charity. While philanthropy is about giving money away, impact investing is about investing money in ventures that are designed to generate both a social or environmental return and a financial return. In other words, you're not just making a donation, you're making an investment that you expect to grow over time. Now, you may be thinking, isn't all investing about making a profit? Yes, traditional investing is primarily focused on earning a return on your investment. But impact investing takes it a step further. It's not just about what you make, it's about what you make happen. Impact investing is about intentionally seeking to create positive social or environmental impact through your investments. This dual focus on financial returns and positive impact sets it apart from traditional investing. Here's an example to illustrate. Imagine you're considering investing in two companies. One is a traditional energy company with a strong track record of financial returns. The other is a renewable energy company that's not only profitable, but is also reducing carbon emissions and creating jobs in underserved communities. If you're an impact investor, you might choose the renewable energy company because of its positive impact on society and the environment, in addition to its financial performance. The beauty of impact investing is that it allows investors to support causes they care about, whether that's climate change, poverty alleviation, access to healthcare, or any other social or environmental issue. Impact investing, therefore, offers a powerful strategy to address global challenges while also securing financial returns. So, if you're looking to make a difference and make a profit, impact investing could be the strategy for you. Now that we know what impact investing is, how does it work? Impact investing is a financial journey with a twist, a journey where financial returns walk hand in hand with positive societal changes. To embark on this journey, the first step is identifying potential investment opportunities, which are businesses or projects that can generate both financial returns and social or environmental impact. You might be wondering, how does one find these opportunities? Well, it's about looking beyond the balance sheets and profit margins. It's about understanding the company's mission, its values, and its impact on society and the environment. It's about asking the right questions. Does this company's mission align with my values? What kind of social or environmental impact does this company have? Once you've identified a potential investment, the next step is the investment itself. This could be in the form of buying stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments of the company. However, the journey doesn't stop there. Impact investing also involves monitoring and managing the impact of your investments. This is often referred to as impact measurement and management. It's about tracking the social or environmental impact of your investments over time and adjusting your strategy as needed. Just like traditional investing, impact investing also involves risk assessment. However, in addition to financial risk, impact investors also consider social and environmental risks. For instance, a company that doesn't adhere to sustainable practices may face regulatory fines or reputational damage, which can affect its financial performance and, in turn, your investment. The process of impact investing isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a journey that's unique to each investor, guided by their financial goals and their desire to make a positive impact on the world. This journey comes with its challenges, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With impact investing, you're not just growing your wealth, you're also contributing to positive changes in society and the environment. So, as we dive deeper into the world of impact investing, remember this. With impact investing, you're not just an investor, you're an agent of change. But how do you invest in companies that align with your values? First, you need to clearly define what your values are. Is it sustainability, gender equality, or perhaps ethical labor practices? Once you have a clear understanding of what matters to you, then you can begin to identify companies that share these values. However, remember, simply because a company claims to uphold certain values doesn't necessarily mean they do. This is where due diligence comes in. You need to thoroughly research potential investments to ensure they truly align with your values. Look at a company's track record, their corporate social responsibility initiatives, and any news or reports about their operations. There are also a number of resources available to help you in your research. For instance, there are databases and indexes that rank companies based on various environmental, social, and governance factors, often referred to as ESG criteria. These can provide a useful starting point in identifying companies that align with your values. The next aspect to consider is the role of sustainable business practices in impact investing. Investing in companies that prioritize sustainability is not just about doing good. It can also make good business sense. Companies that are forward-thinking and proactive in addressing social and environmental issues are often better positioned for long-term success. They are more likely to attract and retain top talent, foster customer loyalty, and navigate regulatory changes effectively. And here's the key point. Aligning your investments with your values doesn't mean you need to compromise on returns. In fact, studies have shown that companies with strong ESG performance often outperform their peers in the long run. So, when you're considering impact investing, remember to do your due diligence. Look beyond the surface to understand the true impact of a company's operations. Because investing in companies that align with your values isn't just about making a statement, it's about making a difference. So, aligning your investments with your values doesn't mean compromising on returns. Let's recap what we've learned about impact investing. It's an investment strategy that not only seeks financial returns, but also aims to generate positive social and environmental impacts. This dual-purpose approach allows you to align your financial goals with your values, enabling you to contribute to the solutions of pressing societal issues while growing your wealth. We explored how impact investing works. Unlike traditional investing, it doesn't solely focus on financial gain. It involves consciously putting your money into businesses and funds that are committed to making a positive societal impact. This could be anything from clean energy enterprises to companies that champion social justice. We also delved into the ways you can invest in companies that align with your values. It involves doing your due diligence, researching companies' practices and policies, and understanding their commitment to social and environmental responsibilities. Look for transparency and measurable impacts. Consider funds that focus on impact investing, or use robo-advisors that offer socially responsible investment options. The benefits of impact investing are immense. Not only does it provide you with the opportunity to make a difference in the world, but it also opens up a whole new frontier of potential investments. It's a win-win situation. You can grow your wealth while supporting causes you care about. Remember, impact investing is not just a trend, it's a movement. It's about making money work for the greater good, and it's about time we all take part in it. In conclusion, impact investing is a powerful tool that lets you align your financial goals with your values. It's about creating a positive change in the world while securing your financial future. Thank you for joining us today on House Lux Estate. Remember, your investments can make a significant impact. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.